For the next 2.5 weeks, I'll be in Japan. I'll be breaking down the cost of every single thing I spend money on. So I spent 600 yen for one ginger lemonade. I gave him 1,000 yen bill and he gave me 400 yen in coins. So now I'm coin man. Now I'm gonna go get the lemonade. This is what 510 yen is. Kiyomizo Temple, 400 yen. $500 yen, good luck charm for health. So this is what 400 in yen looks like in coins. 100, 200, 300, 400 yen. So we have here, we have mochi. So mochi is one of my favorite foods. This is savory mochi. And this is another savory mochi. So we have mochi and mochi.
Okay,
Yes?
yeah, yes, thank you.
Two mochis, 988 yen. This is chestnut yasuhashi, traditional Kyoto mochi, 1,300 yen. I have two cucumber pickle sticks, 250 yen each, 500 yen total. Everywhere I go, I like to collect these little magnets, and here we have a nice collection of magnets that signify the place that I'm going. This particular magnet that I purchased, this one right here, was 600 yen. It's about $5. Koshian stick mochi, 300 yen. So we're here in the Nishinki market. This is a marketplace that's composed of tons of different little stores. And right here we have 500 yen worth of food. And it's a skewer of scallops, 2 of them. Tempura? $260 yen. Octopus bowl. Each oyster here is 600 yen, 1,200 yen for both oysters. 2 sakis, 100 yen each for each glass. Taxi fare, 800 yen. We're over here at a tea store in Japan. And we have one type of green tea. We have another type of green tea. We have a type of matcha tea and another higher grade of matcha tea. And I got 2 of each of those. So the grand total for all the tea is 10,000 yen. 7-Eleven in Japan, it's open 24/7, so you can get actual food. And what I noticed is when you look at the ingredients for all the food, none of it has artificial food coloring in it. Anything that is colored like this, it's got some kind of rice color, which is a natural color, which is really cool. So it's nice to have a nice place to get healthy food at any time of the day. And the total was 669 yen, some juice, some chocolate. And by the way, this chocolate is way better than the chocolate you get in America, let me tell you. Chocolate hits different in Japan. Trust me, come over here and try it yourself. So this is a late night meal at Lawson. It's pretty comparable to 7-Eleven. And this all came out to 1623 yen. Noga Hotel, $386 for 2 nights. And this is in Kyoto. The bathroom has metal in the walls. Love that, it's almost like a cruise ship, but obviously a lot bigger. Kinkakuji Temple in the background. It was 500 yen to get into here. It's a Buddhist temple. One chocolate banana, 400 yen. This is the most popular food in Japan. When you come to Japan, you must eat it. Just woke up, we're at the Prince Inn Smart Evis, and they have complimentary breakfast here. And they have like a prefix menu where they have an option for a drink, an option for a sandwich. I think they let you choose between iced tea and hot tea and a tuna sandwich. There was some other kind of sandwich. So you basically just pick one of each thing, because usually in America you just kind of have a buffet style, you just grab whatever you want. We have here a plastic straw that comes with your meal. So everything's pretty organized, pretty well laid out. It's pretty interesting because breakfast lasts until 11 a.m., where typically breakfast would only last until about 9, and if you're really pushing it, 10 o'clock. Pretty good deal for free, can't beat free. So this is Godiva 50%. I know they have these all over America, but over here they actually have different flavors. Plus they let you choose your chocolate percentage. So if you like less chocolate or more chocolate, you can actually pick what you want. So I went ahead and got the 50% now. This is considered a large, which kind of looks like a small to me, but hey, this is as big as you get in Japan. Everything is pretty much smaller as far as portions go. And to specify the percentage that I'm talking about, the 50%, is actually the cacao, the actual bean that they use to make the chocolate. That's what the 50% is. So, cheers. Oh, and by the way, it does cost 780 yen. It's actually a lot cheaper than in the US for sure. Tokyo is good. We're gonna go to the electronics store. I'm gonna get a microphone so you guys can hear me better. So they have this all-you-can-drink menu here. It's 1,580 yen. And you can basically drink any drink off of this menu. If you think about it, each drink is about 580 yen if you just buy it. So if you're 3 drinks, you're already breaking even. So you got to look at everything from a mathematical perspective. You look at the numbers, right? So if you think about it, it makes a lot of sense if you're going to drink at least 30 drinks. You're already breaking even. And then everything else is just, you're profitable, right? And so the restaurant is Kushikatsu Tanaka. What's really great about this menu is it's all like fried food, right? This is the stuff that's going to give you. They basically have every kind of food you could really want to be fried. You know, anytime you fry food, it really brings out the taste. So it's really great stuff. I'm gonna stick with the squid, the shrimp, do a little tomato maybe, just to get some of that fiber in, some mushrooms, and probably some rice cake. But I'll probably order a 1-by-1 so it comes out hot. We'll see where it goes. Total cost, 10,810 yen. And I'm gonna go ahead, and this is the itemized receipt right here. It's a little after midnight, so there's pretty much nothing open in Japan, in Tokyo tonight. So this is 2,633 yen worth of food. So I got the fruit sandwich. I was talking about the banana fruit sandwich. So they have it listed at 450 yen plus a 30 yen markup. But when I went to the register, they rang it up as 450 yen, and I almost had a. So I spoke to the person at the register and showed them the picture because, you know, I can't communicate the fact that it's supposed to be 30 yen less. So, and she lowered the price, and that was the end of that dilemma. If you enjoyed that video, check out this video.